Welcome to Polymerupdate TV, a free plastics raw material news show. You are watching weekly polymer market trends with me, Charles Elis. It is Wednesday, February 7th. This week, polypropylene prices dropped in India while remaining steady across other parts of the Asian region. In India, PP raffia and PP injection prices were assessed at the $1,000 to $1,040 per metric ton CFR levels, both lower by $20 per metric ton from the previous week. PP film and BOP prices were assessed at the $1,010 to $1,060 per metric ton CFR levels, both week-on-week dropped by $20 per metric ton. PP block copolymer prices were assessed at the $1,020 to $1,080 per metric ton CFR levels, down $20 per metric ton from last week. PP prices in India witnessed a downfall as buyers in the region continued to counter offers from Middle Eastern suppliers who raised their offers citing logistical constraints from the Red Sea crisis. However, buyers in India are not seen to be in a hurry to replenish their inventories owing to sufficient cargo avails in the region. Meanwhile, the overall Asian market sentiment has been impacted due to rising freight costs arising from disrupted shipping schedules brought about by the ongoing Red Sea crisis. Meanwhile, the Panama Canal congestion has adversely impacted global container shipping movement, with Asia-bound vessels forced to take lengthy day tours, leading to extended transit times. Furthermore, scheduled plant maintenance turnarounds currently underway in the Middle East have also led to short supplies of cargoes to Asia. In Far East Asia, PP raffia and PP injection prices were assessed at the $870 to $910 per metric ton CFR levels, both left unchanged from the previous week. PP film and BOP prices were assessed at the $880 to $920 per metric ton CFR levels, left unchanged week-on-week. PP block copolymer prices were assessed at the $900 to $930 per metric ton CFR levels, stable from last week. In China, the purchase pulse turned tepid with the nearing of the Lunar New Year holiday. A majority of market participants have concluded their restocking requirements. The overall trade environment in the region was quiet, with manufacturers and traders winding down their operations. In Southeast Asia, PP raffia and PP injection grade prices were assessed at the $950 to $980 per metric ton CFR levels, both rolled over from the previous week. PP film and BOP prices were assessed at the $960 to $990 per metric ton CFR levels, both steady week-on-week. PP block copolymer prices were assessed flat at the $985 to $1,010 per metric ton CFR levels. The Southeast Asian market witnessed limited trading activity, except for Thailand, where a few converters commenced imports following a series of hikes in offers by domestic suppliers. Meanwhile, buyers in Indonesia were seen adopting a wait-and-watch stance regarding cargo purchases, which are not likely to arrive prior to the implementation of new import regulations in March 2024. Market participants continue to remain unclear about the key conditions that need to be met for complying with the regulations, in spite of continual talks between industry players and concerned ministry representatives. Demand sentiments in Vietnam slackened, with a few converters winding down operations for the Lunar New Year holiday. Thank you for watching.